So friends, now I have this recipe which at least once a week I make sure that I have it, and it is mixed vegetable curry with multi-grain roti. So let's get started. I'm going to add at least 4 teaspoons full of mustard oil. So once the mustard oil is hot, I'm going to add asafoetida or hing. We'll add garlic. I'm going to fry the garlic. Freshly chopped turmeric, cumin seeds or jeera, a spoonful of mustard seeds for flavor and digestion, coriander powder, little bit of garam masala, the dried fenugreek leaves, quick mix, potato, peas, cauliflower, adding salt, chilli powder, that also helps in digestion. Once it's slightly cooked, I'm going to add carrot and tomato puree, a glass full of water, and now we'll cook for 10 minutes. इसको हम सर्व करेंगे. 1 चम्मच घी ऊपर से डाल दीजिए. हमारी ये ग्रीन चिली, और ये तैयार हो गई हमारी मिक्स्ड वेजिटेबल करी, और इसे हम सर्व करेंगे विद मल्टी ग्रेन रोटी. वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट इंडियन प्लांट बेस्ड लंच. Those of you who want to eat wholesome, stay healthy and fit, this is your recipe too.